Okay, here's the challenge. Right through there has to be cleaned of all debris. It's not so bad. It's been a year since it was cut. A lot of it has actually decayed, so not as daunting as I thought, really. I think a little D4 would be excellent, though. Just push all that stuff up. Those trees gotta go, unfortunately. I dragged that big pipe out. It's probably not worth using again. Pretty rusty. Got some rust holes in it. I've cleaned some of the drain here. And I'm down to that spot. I'm gonna go on a little more this afternoon, see how far I can get. I got about 2 hours to go before I have to knock. See, there's holes in the pipe. It would probably last another year or two, but I don't know if it's worth putting in and then having to replace it a year down the road. Kind of silly, I guess. Question is, what do I do with it? We'll figure it out. Oh, there goes a frog. Something's jumping in there, some kind of little bugs. Don't know what they are. Haven't seen any snakes. Don't know how many has seen me, but that's okay, as long as they don't bother me. They don't bother me, I won't bother them. And my machine. So far so good. It's doing a good job. It's a good machine. Alright, back at it. Pretty rough digging, really. A lot of debris, wooded debris in there. And years of sediment, actually. A lot of blown down trees. Gonna have to take those out, of course. And got a ways to go that way. Machine is performing okay. Got a little leak on that install line, but we'll see if we can tighten that up. I don't think it's a big deal. A lot of debris out here. Just gotta stay with it and pile it up and torch it. I think that's what we're gonna have to do.